In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit photos in your Google Gemini app. So let's go and find the app on our phone. And let's go ahead and just do a new conversation. So what we're going to do is add a photo. So you want to hit the plus sign on the left-hand side, and let's just add a photo. Go to Photos. And I'm just going to pick this photo here. Go ahead and upload it with the blue check mark at the top right-hand corner. So what we want to do is type in a prompt and change the photo somehow. So I'm going to say, can you change this to a rustic pencil drawing? Go ahead and hit send. And that prompt, it may take a little bit depending on the app, but it will change the image, hopefully, to this prompt. And that should be it. So we'll wait for this to get done. And there you have it. It's real easy to do, real easy to go through and edit a photo. As you see, I took the original photo that I posted, put in a prompt, and then it spit this image out. You can always go ahead and continue to edit the edited photo with more prompts, more adjustments, but it's real simple to do, real easy to handle, and that's it. That's how you would go about editing photos in your Google Gemini app.